Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 24th, 2025, which was about 9 days ago. The standout idea is a brain-inspired navigation system that gives robots structured spatial memory, leading to state-of-the-art efficacy and efficiency across diverse navigation tasks and strong zero-shot generalization. The paper is titled, From Reactive to Cognitive, Brain-Inspired Spatial Intelligence for Embodied Agents, and as we will see later, the results are really impressive. In short, the system builds cognitive maps, landmarks, and routes, then uses multimodal language models to plan and act in the real world. Also, the authors shared the official BSC-Nav implementation on GitHub. You will find setup instructions for habitat, requirements, and conda env files, plus benchmarks for object, open vocabulary, text, image, and instruction-based navigation. The repo includes agents, memory construction scripts, visualization tools, EQA support, and runnable examples with arguments. So Figure 1 lays out how structured spatial memory turns a reactive robot into a planner that reasons about space. The panels contrast a biological blueprint with an engineered pipeline that builds landmarks, routes, and a survey map, which means an allocentric or world-centered grid the agent can consult. The diagram also shows a working memory that retrieves task-relevant cues, so the agent can plan, verify goals, and act in sequence. So Figure 2 explains how the agent pinpoints targets by retrieving the right memory for the task. The left panel uses landmark memory for simple text goals, which means the agent matches category cues like toilet or bed to stored landmark detections to propose coordinates. The right panel switches to the cognitive map, for instance, or image goals, where enriched text or imagined visuals guide feature matching across the map. This hierarchy matters because it keeps retrieval fast for easy cases and precise for specific objects. Alright, Figure 3 shows that the memory-centered agent succeeds across both category and instance goals because it routes with landmarks for broad queries and taps the cognitive map for specific targets. The left panels summarize strong success rates across datasets. The middle examples illustrate full trajectories with waypoints and verifications. The right strips present candidate locations and the model's step-by-step reasoning, which clarifies why certain spots are chosen and others are rejected. Alright, Figure 5 demonstrates that the memory-centered agent performs robustly in the real world because it navigates a large indoor space and consistently reaches diverse targets with steady speeds. The top panels introduce the robot and environment, while the middle panels report success rates and distances across object, text, and image instance goals. The bottom panels walk through 2 complete runs, showing planned paths alongside matching egocentric views. Trigger text, Figure 5 demonstrates that bounding box 0.05, 0.04, 0.95, 0.87. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. Structured spatial memory, with landmarks, routes, and a survey map, turns reactive agents into planners that generalize, and the memory plus multimodal reasoning delivers strong success rates in simulation and on real robots. The broader implication is scalable, brain-inspired navigation for long-horizon tasks. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.